What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I guess there is a error with the editing. Again, a YouTube processing error. So I'm making this video very early for you before I start my clinical rotation. So VICI Properties is a real estate investment trust. I would also maybe consider it a sin stock, but this is one of my favorite real estate investment trusts. So I'm buying more and more. I'm going to be long in these guys unless if something crazy happens. They have solid dividend growth, like I said, and their revenue is very strong. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this readout right now. The VICI Properties is sitting at 33.15. It has a dividend yield of 4.71%. A PE ratio of 30.97. Who cares? Remember, FFO is more important. Average volume 5.86 million. Market cap is 33.06 billion US dollars. Day range is 26.23 to 35.69. Day range is 32.75 to 33.23. And its previous close is 34.01. As you can tell, these guys have done significantly well against the S&P in the past 5 years. And if you see during the pandemic, they were way down to 12.31. Right now they're 33.15. And on the 13th of January, the S&P, they were above the S&P. So I mean, they were up by 59.76 versus 42.30%. So these guys are doing something right. Let's check these guys out. Before I even go on their website, Wikipedia made this very easy. VICI Properties is a real estate investment trust specializing in casino properties based in NYC. It was formed in 2017 as a spinoff from Caesars Entertainment Corporation as part of bankruptcy reorganization. It owns 48 casinos, hotels, racetracks, and 4 golf courses across the United States and Canada. Let's go on their website. So on their website, VICI Properties is an experiential real estate investment trust that owns one of the largest portfolios of market-lending gaming, hospitality, and entertainment destinations, including Caesars Palace, Las Vegas, MGM Grand, and the Venetian Resort, Las Vegas, 3 of the most iconic entertainment facilities in the Las Vegas Strip. VICI Properties' geographically diverse portfolio consists of 49 gaming facilities across the United States and Canada, comprising approximately 124 million square feet, and features approximately 59,300 hotel rooms and more than 450 restaurants, bars, nightclubs, and sports books. So right here, 49 lending gaming facilities, 124 million square feet owned, and then 450 plus bars, clubs, and sports books. So we're going to go a little bit more in depth on these guys. So right here with their real estate section, VICI Properties intends to grow its diverse portfolio of real estate by partnering with leading experiential operators and capitalizing on strategic growth opportunities through highly complementary style asset and portfolio acquisitions. Their geographically diverse portfolio is home to the leading brands with strong back records of driving loyalty and value with guests through superior service, exceptional products, and consistent innovation. So right here, 47% LV strip exposure, 53% regional exposure. So they're geographically, diversified, like they said, and 1% international exposure. So right here, they're in Canada. They have the Pure Casino Lethbridge, Pure Casino. Ohio has a lot of them. MGM Grant, Northfield, Hollywood Casino at Greektown, I think that's Michigan. Jack Casino in Cleveland. Right here, Mountaineer Casino, Racetrack and Resort. Jack in Cincinnati. So you see their diversification. People like to gamble. People like to make money gambling. And gambling is kind of like a sin. I mean, people are addicted to gambling. Some people lose a lot of money. Right over here, New Orleans, they have one. Herrera's and Margaritaville also. Fitz Hotel and Casino is a big one too. So they're well geographically diversified. I'll go over one more thing. So here's 4 of their golf locations. Cascada, this was in Las Vegas, Southeast United States. Harriet Run, which is right here. It is located 12 miles from the Horseshoe Southern Indiana Casino. A lot of awards right here. #1 Golfer's Choice in 2020 with Chariot Run. Best of Indiana golf courses. Also, Grand Bear. It was designed by Jack Nicklaus in 1999. It is at Herrera's Gulf Coast Casino and is considered one of the top southern courses in southern United States. Then Rio Seco, right here, is located in the south of Las Vegas, right here. So these guys have won numerous awards. Now let's go over their revenue and dividend history. So here's our revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2017 was 187, 2018 897, 2019 894, 2020 even during the pandemic they made a shitload of money. Excuse my language, but that is a shitload of money with their huge jump in revenue from 2017 to 2020. And then 2021 $1,509. So look at that, from 2017 to 2021, even during the pandemic these guys were strong generating revenue. But let's go over some FFO and AFFO news. So this is in October 2022. VICI Properties came out with quarterly funds from operations, FFO of 49 cents per share, in line with Zach's consensus estimate. I woke up, I'm telling you, I'm just like really congested. I probably need a humidifier at my place. This compares to the FFO of 45 per share. A year ago, these figures are adjusted non-recurring items. A quarter ago, it was expected that the company would post an FFO of 48 per share when it actually produced an FFO of 48, delivering no surprise. Over the last 4 quarters, the company has surpassed consensus FFO estimates just once. VICI, which belongs to the Zacks REIT and Equity Trust, other industry, posted revenues of $751.54 million for the quarter ending of September 2022. Surpassing Zacks consensus estimate by 1.54%. This compares the year ago revenues of $35.74 million. Company has topped consensus revenue estimates 4 times in the last 4 quarters. So right here, the sustainability of the stock's immediate price moment-based recently numbers and future FFO expectations will depend mostly on the management's commentary on their earnings call. VICI Properties shares have added about 1.8% since the beginning of the year versus the S&P's decline of 19.6%. And so recently, okay, the FFO was 1.52, the PFFO, it was 21.80, the dividend rate, FWD, 1.56, the yield is 4.71%, the short interest is 3.35%, the market cap is 33.82 billion. The volume is super high. Honestly, based on the FFO and some of the estimates, I find these guys strong as a dividend stock. Of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. I took a screenshot on Seeking Alpha to reveal this to you guys. The FFO is, I believe, is very strong based on other articles that I read, and I'm probably going to start sourcing more and more articles to back up my rationales as to why I believe these are top dividend stocks and why these are some of the top REITs in 2023. So let's go to their dividend history. This is what excites me. So as you know, as a real estate investment trust, basically 90% of what they make have to go back to shareholders. That's the rule of a real estate investment trust. That's one thing of owning REITs. This is why I like owning REITs. So 2018, they were 16 cents. They jumped to 26 cents. Then they jumped to 29 cents in 2018. 2019, they jumped to 30 cents. 2020, they jumped to 33 cents. 2021, they jumped to 33 cents. And then late 2021, they jumped to 36 cents. And then in 2023, they cracked 39 cents. So their payout ratio is 84%. And the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Dividend growth in 5 years is 11.47%. So if you bought 1 share, you made 156 with a 4.71% dividend yield. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I hope you are enjoying my series of reviewing each REIT that I had mentioned in my top 5 in section 1. I'm still not finishing part 1. I have one more video for you tomorrow, but part 2 will start again after I finish part 1. So you got to hit that notification bell after you've subscribed. I go really in depth with these type of stocks because I want to show you why I believe these are some of the top real estate investment trusts for 2023 and why I'm buying them. You guys take care and have a good one.